Good morning! I am here at the Marikina River Amphitheater going to cover this event. So medyo na-late lang ako ng konti pero yeah, medyo madami rin tao. Ito po yung event actually. Yan. So right now, it's going to be a challenge for me to use only my new Galaxy Note 10. Trying to assess kung kaya niyang mag-vlog and to stretch his capabilities in terms of camera. Hopefully, Seahawks will prevail to all its races. Sana makakuha kami ng isang podium finish. And right now, medyo maulap, medyo mahangin. I'm not sure if I can fly my drone, but definitely titingnan natin yung event. It's going to be, and hope, though most definitely is going to be successful.
Hi, Teamsters!
Yan. Hi guys! Good morning, Seahawks! Before Seahawks is going to race right now, abangan natin, titignan natin kung titignan natin kung makakalusot tayo sa ranking, pero yun nga.
Alright, once again,
Team
100
B
meters.
kanina was third.
Lane number 1, Seahawks.
Yun.
Lane number 2,
Sana talaga
lane number 1, PLSU.
Yun.
Lane number 2,
maraming
Alap.
practices
Lane number 3,
na ginubo ng
Riptide.
mga teammates namin, and hopefully
Leading the
mag-result
race
ito kaya.
is
So, it's still a nice weather right now. Medyo mahangin
leading the race.
and nawala na yung
Almost
ulan.
half.
So,
Almost
see you
halfway.
later.
Nice one! Nice one! Nice one! Nice one!
Go, Seahawks! Go, 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 go! Lane number 1, Seahawks. And lane number 2.
So, kakatapos na ng round 1 and all probably is going makapasok sa round 2. So, titingnan natin. Titingnan natin kung makaka-place lahat, pero definitely mukhang okay naman eh. So, yeah. Right now, we are still waiting for round 2 and definitely mukhang okay naman yung standing. So, titingnan natin mamaya kung makakalusot tayo sa lahat-lahat. Cross fingers na lang kung makaka-podium finish tayo. And medyo malakas naman at saka effort ng team strong pa din. Kaya, yeah. Abangan!
Teammates leading the race, lane number 2, Seahawks Team A. Alright, Seahawks Team A.
Nice one, Seahawks!
So we just finished our round 1, round 2, and so far mamaya mag-a-announce yung ranking at kung papasok ang team namin, but definitely sana meron naman, I think. So let's wait. Lunch break! So a quick update on the race. May dalawang pasok sa finals namin. Meron kaming Team A mixed, and then we have women's later for the semis and hopefully for the finals. Pasensya na sa ganito itsura kasi medyo mainit. Kaya yun. Good luck to our partners, and yeah, see you sana sa finals. Yes, I guess it's the end of our time here. We reached semis, good start kasi parang puro mga baguhan yung nag-race. So, yeah, may kapupulutang aral, maraming improvements, but definitely yun, magiging malakas pa din next time. Bye!